We're on our way to Lower Barrakka Gardens. Look at these streets, they're amazing, fabulous, quiet, so pretty. Right, we're trying to find Lower Barrakka Gardens, so just walking along the edge of the coastline. Beautiful blue sky, blue seas. Mr.H in his nice shirt. Oh, that's the ferry then.
So this goes to Gozo.
Yeah, from Valletta now to Gozo direct.
Okay.
Yeah, looks quite not too bouncy. We've had some bad experiences with ferries in the past, so and we've read some reviews. So it's the high-speed catamaran to Gozo. So it'd be interesting to see where it pulls in.
Film the
Yeah, I was just saying we've had some bad experiences in the past,
well,
and
boats. Boats of water.
but that looks really. Although it's coming into the harbour, so I suppose it's.
I don't think the boat depends on the sea.
Yeah.
How choppy it is.
Yeah.
But isn't that part of the fun?
Yeah.
I thought we had a bumpy airplane ride this time.
We did, yes. Spilled your gin and tonic twice.
Yes, yes. As an observation, we've had plenty of, well, none now, of course, but we've had plenty of horses and carts, carriages come past with tourists on. And it's not something we do ourselves, but what was good, there's notices everywhere displaying the fare. And it said €35. So
For 30 minutes.
yeah, for 30 minutes. So everything's clear and above board.
And it says for the
Extra.
carriage, not per person.
Yeah, you can pay more if you want to go further, obviously. But that's nice because you're always dubious about things. Am I going to get ripped off? How much is it? Is it per person? You know, the scams in Lisbon on the tuk-tuks is well known. You know, I do like it when they display the prices in public in advance. Some sort of bell tower.
So that's
there.
a war memorial.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, we got there.
Yeah, because when I was here 32 years ago, the Queen was here opening it. Yeah, so we're here, about to go up, see what it's all about. Starting to get really hot now.
But that's what we came for, isn't
Yeah,
it?
we came for sun, didn't we?
Just
Yeah.
like rain.
Yeah.
Fair play. Well, the chamberlain said it's only rained 3 days this year.
Yeah.
Rain every day
I
for
think
6
with
months,
us it's only not rained for 3 days in the last
So,
12 months, I
Of
think.
course, one we can't have, and well, I think. I'll take it. I think as a March. Is this on?
Yeah.
Yeah. As a March destination, if it's the weather you're after, I mean, crikey. And it's not too hot to walk. I mean, I'm hot, but it's bearable. Normally you get places and you just can't walk in the heat. This is rather nice. Yeah. Well, let's go up then. But apparently the lady who chambermaid who cleans our room, lovely lady, she said March is the best time to come. She said from April, May it gets too hot and too windy. So, perhaps we found something there. Yes. Oh, I see. We can come out the other side. Let's walk round, shall we? Get past these ladies. Excuse me. Oh, there she is, Mrs. H. Without your research, Mrs. H, we wouldn't be here. And there's the bell. And of course, we found these places through watching research films, and so therefore we're trying to put something back into travel by doing some films ourselves.
I think that's Barrakka Gardens.
That's the gardens there, is it?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Barrakka Gardens.
Barrakka Gardens.
Upper, yeah.
Okay.
And there's the memorial.
Oh, I see. I bet it's hot here in the summer though. Crying out loud, you wouldn't be able to do this, would you? No, I'm going to turn this off because we've got steps to walk down.
Yeah, so there are the three cities in the
Oh, I see.
and there's Ferry Greenhouse, I think.
What do you mean the three cities? What? That's one, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
And we are guessing, but
Yeah,
it seems about
right.
right. One there, second one there, and the third city, what?
Behind, I think.
Behind, is
Yeah.
it? But we are guessing.
Yeah.
But it's nice to be wrong sometimes and just enjoy the romance of it. Okay.
Is it going out? I think it's going out. It's been in and it's going out again.
Obviously, pick up from there, do you?
Yeah.
Well, where'd you get on?
I don't know.
He's obviously turned round.
Yeah. Perhaps it's...
Or has he just stopped to show people?
No, I think it does go from Valletta, so... Yeah, perhaps it's over there then.
Perhaps there's a jetty there.
Jetty,
Must be.
must be something, because it's going again now, isn't it?
Go further in.
Right, so we're in Barrakka Gardens. On a beautiful sunny March morning in Valletta. Right, so this is lower, and I can see now upper is over there. Oh, I think that'll be something for another day, to be honest, but we've had quite a long walk today. See if I can find some shade, yeah?
As an observation, there's lots of people, more mature people, in their walking shoes with rucksacks. So, yeah, quite good walking country. But is it? I'm already struggling in this heat walking because of the hills. So, I think, say the obvious, I think if you're a walker, fantastic. If you're not a walker, start early before the midday sun gets up. We all know that. It's easier said than done.
We were
When
a bit late having breakfast, to be honest.
you like to go for a drink in the evening. Most people like a meal or a drink or something, and then you don't do the early start, do you? But I think if you're gonna do these walks, yeah, start early, because I am struggling in this heat already, and it's only what, 21. It's the hills. It is. We're not used to walking in the heat, from our culture anyway. Other people be laughing, saying that's not even hot. But yeah, nice in the shade here. Now we've come to the other side. That's the bell through there. Hang on. Can you see it there? And that was in memory for all the lives lost during the siege here during the Second World War. So that's a nice monument. I wouldn't think that bell sounds anymore though, because that concrete don't look that strong to me. Oh, stonework, whatever. Yeah, I'm glad we've done this, you know. You need some good footwear. Seedling's new shoes. Yeah, walking trainers, lightweight to pack. I've got the same. Don't know if you can see, just... I know they look a bit... you know, but you don't want heavy boots. don't want sandals. Decided not to wear sandals on this tour. I've thought I'd take time off from being bitten by mosquitoes on the ankles. I don't know what the mosquitoes are like over here. We didn't get bitten last night at all on the first night, so hopefully that's a good omen. Again, though, it's something you need to be aware of. And that opens another dilemma. Do you use anti-mosquito formula midge sprayer? Yes or no? Everyone has their own story behind that, don't they? We do. But we bought some really good anti-midge cream in Greece, and it cuts down all the irritation on the bites, and we've kept it, and the pharmacist says yes, you'll keep for years as long as you keep it clean and just take the top bit off each time. No, it's not the sort of thing you want to hear about, but mosquito bites does rather put people off foreign climes, so prevention is better than cure. Yes, I'm going to turn this off now.